A very good morning to all of you. This is 8th video from the unit number system, and in this video you will find two parts where I am going to discuss the different types of questions. And here in the first, it is if x is equal to 2 plus root 3, find the value of x square plus 1 by x square. So we have x is equal to 2 plus root 3. Therefore, 1 by x can be given as 1 by 2 plus root 3. Now, for rationalizing the denominator of this, we will have to multiply numerator and denominator both by 2 minus root 3. So, it is equal to 2 minus root 3 in numerator, and in denominator it is 2 square minus root 3 whole square, which gives us 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus 3, which is equal to 2 minus root 3. Therefore, we can say 1 by x is equal to 2 minus root 3. Now we have the value of x as well as the value of 1 by x. So using x square plus 1 by x square equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2 into x into 1 by x. From where we are getting this? It is from the identity a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2 into a into b. So in right hand side we can put the value now, values of x and 1 by x. So we have 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 whole square, and the second term is minus 2, because x and 1 by x can cancel one another. And then we have 4 square minus 2, which is equal to 16 minus 2, which gives 14. So therefore we have x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 14. Moving ahead, let us consider second question. And here in this question, if x is equal to 1 minus root 2, find the value of x minus 1 by x whole cube. So again, for its solution we have x is equal to 1 minus root 2. So we will find first 1 by x. 1 by x equal to 1 by 1 minus root 2. Now for rationalizing the denominator, we will have to multiply numerator as well as denominator by 1 plus root 2. Therefore we have 1 by x is equal to 1 plus root 2 divided by 1 square minus root 2 whole square, which gives us 1 plus root 2 by minus 1. And finally it is minus 1 minus root 2. Thus x minus 1 by x is equal to, using the value of x which is equal to 1 minus root 2, and 1 by x we have already calculated, it is minus 1 minus root 2, which gives us 1 minus root 2 plus 1 plus root 2, which is equal to 2. That is x minus 1 by x is equal to 2 we have. Therefore we are supposed to find the value of x minus 1 by x whole cube. So cubing both the side, what we will get? In left hand side we have x minus 1 by x whole cube is equal to, for the right hand side it is 2 raised to the power 3, which is equal to 8. So we have x minus 1 by x whole cube is equal to 8. Let us consider another question. And here in this question, it is to evaluate 15 by root 10 plus root 20 plus root 40 minus root 5 minus root 80 is being given that root 5 is equal to 2.236 and root 10 is equal to 3.162. By seeing this question you can find a bit difficult, but it is not so. In this question, first of all, we will focus on its denominator and try to simplify the denominator first. So we have root 10 plus root 20 plus root 40 minus root 5 minus root 80. Try to simplify it and bring it in the form of root 5 or root 10 or in the simple integer form. And here is it. Root 10 we will leave as it is, plus it is root 20. Root 20 can be written as 4 into 5 root under, plus 40 which can be written as 4 into 10. So it is root 40, it is 4 into 10 root under, minus root 5, leave as it is. Then 80 can be written as 16 into 5. So root 80 it is root under 16 into 5. Now next step, it is root 10 plus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 10 minus root 5 minus 4 root 5. What we have done? We have just taken the square root of the numbers. Using root AB can also be written as root A into root B. So in third step we have bringing like terms together, root 10 plus 2 root 10 plus 2 root 5 minus root 5 and minus 4 root 5, all like irrationals together. So we have root 10 plus 2 root 10 equal to 3 root 10, and 2 root 5 minus root 5 minus 4 root 5 also gives us minus 3 root 5. Taking 3 as common, what we have? 3 bracket start root 10 minus root 5 bracket close. So this was all about the denominator. So now denominator we have in the simple form. Now moving again to the question, and in the question it was we have to evaluate 15 by root 10 plus root 20 plus root 40 minus root 5 minus root 80. Now this can also be written as 15 divided by the denominator 3 bracket start root 10 minus root 5 bracket close. Now we can simplify 15 by 3, which gives us 5 in the numerator. But in denominator what we are left with? Root 10 minus root 5. After rationalizing the denominator, what we have? In the numerator it is 5 into root 10 plus root 5. But in denominator we have root 10 whole square minus root 5 whole square, which gives us 5 by 5 into root 10 plus root 5, which finally gives root 10 plus root 5. Now we are already having the value of root 10 as well as root 5. So putting those values we can get, for root 10 it is 3.162 plus for root 5 2.236, which gives 5.398.